Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my new topic, move in a circle, and given this simple power supply I can just turn a knob and make these wheels move in a circle, which is not that exciting if you look at it. It's also not very stable. If you look at this motor moving, it's not strict in the line, so it may need some improvement. However, these rubber wheels are both broken and I want to replace it. But before doing that, I would like to add something, which is actually this. I replaced it with a gear without clamp, and it's slightly bigger, but it looks nice. So let's insert and turn the knob. It doesn't go as smoothly as I would hope, but then you would think there is some difference between these parts. So half is running, half isn't. This makes it obviously run, and the rest it slides. Why will that be? Oops, the wheel comes off. And I think this says enough. Let's put another one and see whatever happens then. I constructed and added this one, slightly longer axle, but in kind of the same position. Yeah, will do. So now let's see if the behavior in this part and this part of the circle is for both the same. Now they both keep evolving, turning around. No sliding that I can see. Except for one wheel coming off. Quick replacement or placement. So that's a nicer idea, nicer thing. And then on the last moment this one comes off. But it's a nice thing, and probably better to have these ones than these ones with the broken rubber tires. One final thing for this video is to stop this movement. So once again it goes back and forth. I want to stop that, and then I have to look at the difference between this setup and this one. And so I decide to replace this side with this. And then I'll have to remove this part and do a slight change here. So now it will work out like this. then I do hope that it doesn't work out the wrong way. So it looks like it. Let's see. It still moves. Now seen from here, it is correct. So what the exact solution is then is another issue. But this is aligned, and probably, look at this. It may very well be that it is caused by that movement. But anyway, this should have solved it. What's next? Well, the original plan was to make something walk. That hasn't happened yet, but that is something for the future. And in a totally different setup where things are higher, because legs tend to be not like this, but like more like this. So who knows what it ends up with. But this is nicer than the wheels anyway. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. And you can follow me via Twitter and Instagram. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.